Hey y'all, it's Dr. Brittany, head of community here at Self. Today, I want to talk about something that doesn't get enough credit: strength in small steps. A lot of times when we think about financial goals, we focus on the big outcome: a higher credit score, more savings, less stress. But what actually gets us there isn't one big move, it's the small, repeatable steps we take along the way. So today, I want to walk through what strength in small steps can look like using two real life examples: building credit and building a budget. Example one, building credit. If your goal is to build credit, it can feel overwhelming at first, but you don't have to do everything at once. A strong place to start can be simply checking your credit report. That gives you a starting point where you are today and helps you understand what's already showing up. You might notice balances, open accounts, or information you hadn't looked at closely before. From there, the next small step could be identifying a small win. That might look like paying a balance down a few percentage points, making sure your information is accurate, or understanding which accounts are helping your credit the most right now. Another small step could be choosing one credit building tool that fits where you are, whether that's focusing on on-time payments, lowering utilization, or opening a credit builder account or secured card if it makes sense for you. None of these steps are huge, but together they create momentum, and that momentum is strength. Let's talk about the example of budgeting. If your goal is to feel more in control of your money, the first step isn't creating a perfect budget, it's looking at patterns. That could mean reviewing the last couple of months of spending to see where your money has been going. No judgment, just awareness. Once you see the patterns, a small next step might be asking, is there anything here I can adjust or eliminate? Not everything, just one or two things. From there, you can set a small realistic goal. Maybe that's saving a specific amount, cutting back on one category, or checking in on your budget once a week instead of trying to track everything every day. Then, and this part matters, you revisit it. You see what worked, what didn't, and you adjust. That's strength too. Here's the thing. Small steps help you build confidence and control at the same time. They can be easier to repeat, maintain, and they allow progress to happen without burning you out. But strength doesn't always look loud or dramatic. Sometimes strength looks like showing up consistently, even when the steps feel small. So, whether your goal is building credit, creating a budget, or simply feeling more confident about your finances, ask yourself this: what's one small step I can take that moves me closer to my goal and helps me feel more in control along the way? That's where real progress starts. If you like more conversations like this, practical, realistic, and grounded, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're here to help you make those small steps one at a time.